In this video, I will show you how to use 1+1 pocket currency discriminator to value count the currency and also to shorting the currency. Okay. On this unit, we have a multiple feature and function. Let me zoom in and I will show you. Okay. On you see here, now we are processing the US dollar and we do the value count, and the next line will show you a mix. We count mixed different denomination. Okay, and A for which is called the first bill that recognized, which is only in the DD mode, which is called a shorting mode, single denomination. R stands for the reject, how many reject in the reject pocket, and the 200B is the number of batching. Okay, so you can set your batch different size. The maximum pocket is a 200. Now if you want to change from the value count to a short count mode, you can select the denom key once. You can see when you select the denom key, the automatic change to auto, which is you are in single detection mode, which means the unit will recognize the first bill of denomination and will reject any different denomination to the reject pocket. Okay, other term called the DD, denomination detection, also meaning at a shorting mode, shorting out the different denomination. Okay. Now here you can see we have the value. Now in this unit having multiple mode, if you hit the mode key, okay, you hit the mode key once, now you can see now you are under the free count mode. Free count, it just strictly count piece count how many pieces. It will not detect the counterfeit detection. Okay, hit the mode key one more time. As you can see, in this mode you can change now to call F and O, which is called a facing and orientation. It will allow you to do a facing of the bill or orientation of the bill. You can see here F and O, and in the facing orientation you have two sets. You can have what's called face mode. Okay, now you want to do a orientation mode, you hit the number 3 key right there. Now you can see it changed to orientation mode. Okay, so you can do facing and you do orientation. Now hit the mode key one more time. Here's unique feature of the unit is you can see US dollar and serial. What does that mean? What it means is it detects the serial number on the bill. Okay, it will process value count and also capture the serial number of the bill at the same time. Okay, now you hit mode one more time. Now you are back in a value count mode, which is, and the most is 90% of the user using to count the money, do a mix count the money, or do a denomination detection. And in this mode we have a counterfeit detection on. We have a IR, infrared, UV, ultraviolet, MG, magnetic detection, and ultrasonic detection. Okay, this unit, it comes with all the counterfeit detection included. Okay, not like competitor. Our competitor, they have different version. You know, every time you add on the different detection, there's additional cost. Our unit will call with every counterfeit detection on there: IR, UV, MG, and ultrasonic. Okay, now let's go out and show you how to value count the money. Okay. Now we process do a mix count. Okay, now mix count, as you can here we have a stack of bill and we have all different denomination. We have 10, 100, 1, 20, 5, 2. Okay, so we have all denomination. Now we go place a mix bill onto the hopper. Now the machine will count and will detect all denomination, and they give you a total count of 33 pieces, and the total count, a total value of 33 pieces is $187. Now if you want to see a breakdown, all you do is just remove the money off the stacker. Okay, as soon as you remove the money, and the screen will change to a detail screen. Okay, you can see here's a detail screen. It gives you the breakdown of all denomination. You have 24 pieces of 1, okay, 4 pieces of 2, and here's all the breakdown. Total is 33 pieces and $187. Okay. Now if you want to do a batch, you say, okay, I want the unit to stop at 100 pieces. All you do is hit the batch key. Okay, as you can see right here, the pocket batch. Okay, so this pocket batch, now I can set it to 100. Okay, when I set the 100, I hit OK. As you can see on the screen right here, my batch just changed to 100. Okay, so I can change my batch size anytime I want. I hit the batch and I hit 25 and hit OK. Now I have my batch at 25. Very simple, very easy to change the batch size. Okay. Now, what if I just want to do a sorting out the single one currency only? So which means I want to make sure when I count $1 bill, I have nothing to mix in the $1 bill. I want to off-sort out my denomination. By doing that, I can select the denom. See right now, I'm in a value mix. I hit the denom once. Now change to the value auto, which means it will read the first bill and detect that bill and then reject all the different denomination. Okay. Okay, now here's the same thing. The same stack of bill we run on the mix count. Okay. Now my first bill go behind the hopper is $1 bill. Okay. Now I'm on a strap. I'm strapped at 25. Okay. I change the batch size to 100. I hit OK. Now I'm gonna put my money on the hopper. Okay. And you can see here's all my $1 bill. Okay. And here are a different denomination. Here's all the 20, 2, okay, and 100. So as you can see, we off-sort the $1 off the rest of the denomination by using the auto mode, value auto. Simple as that. So this is how are we using our unit to count the money. Okay. Next mode is we go change to next mode is the free count mode. So we hit the mode key once. Now we are under the free count mode. So on the free count mode, we will not detect the counterfeit money. We don't detect the value. We just strictly count pieces only. Then we just count. That's a totally 33 pieces. Okay. Now next mode is the facing and orientation. You hit the mode key. Now we are on the facing orientation mode, but we are doing the facing. Okay. Now let's do the facing. Here, we take some bill and we mix with all facing and different orientation on there. Okay, so we all mix them all up. Okay, Now let's do the facing. Now the facing will recognize the first bill on the hopper and recognize that facing of that bill, and will keep all the rest of the bill in the same facing, and anything with different facing will go to the reject pocket. Okay, as you can see, so we separate out here, we have all the same face. Okay, here all the same face, but a different orientation. Okay, it is all facing up, which means facing we call face up. Now, see, we separate all this out, we can combine this now together. Now they are in the same face. Now you want to use the same facing with the same orientation. All you do is just hit the key, face out key right here, number 3 key. Now we change it. Now the unit changed to an orienting mode. Let me zoom in. As you can see, now this unit under orientation. I mean, it will detect all the bill with the same orientation. Okay. Now we take the second bill, which is short out with the same facing. Okay. But now you see all the different orientation. Now all we do is put on the hopper. Okay. Now all the units should have the same facing orientation. Same facing and same orientation. Okay, now look at the rest of the stacker. Okay, same facing and same orientation. Okay, now we're done. We can take the one on the reject, on the stack, put together. And now everything is going to be the same as the facing and orientation. Simple, very simple. Now next mode is the serial detection mode. You hit the mode key once. Value serial mix. In this mode, the unit will read and detect the serial number on each bill. As you can see, each US dollar bill have a serial number. Okay, so in this mode, the unit where they do a mix count and also detect the serial number, capture the serial number of the bill at the same time. If you have the printer connect to the unit, it will print every serial number that you just count on the bill onto your connected printers. Good. So since everything on the same facing orientation, because we have the bill had to be facing down to be able to capture the serial number, because only serial number on one side of the bill only. Okay, in the back do not have serial number. So make sure all the bill have the same facing and orientation, or either or. Make sure it have the same facing. That's the most important. Have the same facing and facing down. In this mode, it will. Now the unit will process a little slower, because it captured the serial number. When you're done, you have a connected printer. You can see 833 pieces, $187. If you have the printer connected, it will print. It will send a job. It will print every serial number on this bill onto your printers. So these are a feature and function of how to use our currency discriminator.